Powerful Hurricane Delta is making landfall tonight. The outer eye wall already moving across the coast of Louisiana near Cameron with 100-mile-per-hour max sustained winds. It has weakened. A little bit of shear near the coast as well as slightly cooler waters probably responsible for that, and a little drier air moving in from the west. So it has weakened some, but still a Cat 2 with those powerful winds moving to the north-northeast at 14. So that northeastern quadrant, you have to add in the motion. So you have to add another 14 miles per hour to that 100. So they're getting lashed on the northeast side of this thing, and it's going to continue to move inland as we head into the overnight hours, weakening as it goes. But we still have hurricane warnings in place here along the southeast Texas and Louisiana coastline. Tropical storm warnings on either side of that as well. I think most of the problems are going to be concerning the flooding from storm surge here. Storm surge as much as 11 feet expected here along the coast, and it could venture pretty far inland here as we head into the overnight hours, in the Pearl River area is going to be especially hard hit. So it's going to continue to move inland, weakening as it goes, turning into a remnant low as we head through the weekend. So it will do some big damage there in Louisiana into Arkansas and Tennessee, and then weakening as it moves in. But we still have that severe weather risk as it moves towards us over the weekend. So we have to watch that carefully. Rainfall amounts look to be around 1 to 2 inches with heavier amounts here across far northeast Georgia. And I think that's because some of the modeling is indicating that we could see a good line set up here on Sunday morning. So about 1 inch or so between now and 5 o'clock on our Saturday. And then Sunday morning, it looks like a really strong line could set up right across North Georgia through the Atlanta area into LaGrange. And it looks like that could bring in more significant heavy rainfall. So I think that's the period early Sunday morning between around 4 and 10 in the morning where we could see some really nasty stuff, and then continuing to move across far north Georgia as we head through the day on our Sunday. So we're going to be watching these very strong winds move in, and it looks like as that line sets up over us on Sunday, that is when we will see the strongest winds moving in here, and we could see some with severe storms. We could see gusts up around 40 miles per hour or so. So we're also watching our next system, which might develop. It's not a developed system yet. It's a wave moving off the west coast of Africa, likely to develop within the next 5 days. Just about a 20% chance of that. We will keep our eye on it, and we'll continue to track the impacts of Delta as we head into this weekend.